Assalamu alaikum. I'm Saad. I'm working here in IQRA University as a Deputy Director Administration. We have recently purchased some solar lights, that is the street lights installed in our university from Gensu Solar Lights. As we all know, solar lights are very eco-friendly and not just eco-friendly, budget-friendly as well. So this was the main reason we installed those lights. Gensu Light is not just providing good sales services, but very good after-sale services. They have already proved themselves by helping us after installation of the lights. And I hope in the future we'll be doing really great projects with them, which are in the pipeline. Thank you.